Let's take a look at the wiring method. This is the trachea. This is the signal line. This is the power cord. This is connected to a 220-volt power supply. This power cord will be placed in the machine. After the power supply is connected, use screws to tighten it. The power cord will be placed inside the machine. Connection method of signal lines in upper and lower processes. There are labels here. Let's check it out. The upper computer is generally connected to the loader. It is usually connected to a loader or a cleaning machine. When connecting, please check this logo. The PCB flows into the machine in front of the printer. This is the signal line connected to the lower computer. It is usually connected to a conveyor or SPI, pick and place machine. There are 4 wires in this signal cable. Check whether the other machine has a signal cable connector. If there is no signal cable connector, you can only cut it and connect their machine. There is no socket, it can only be cut. The signal cable connection method is the same, except for the color difference. The upper machine is connected to 2 signal cables, black and yellow. The lowering machine is connected to 2 red and white wires. The loader is connected to 2 wires, black and yellow. The trachea is a trachea with a diameter of 8 mm. Lower machine signal cable, red and white connection SPI or pick and place machine. Finally, I hope you will give me your praise and support. Thank you all for watching.